When building a home gym, you'll find a lot of strange equipment out there. Some of the machines may look more like ancient torture devices than helpful weight loss machines. If you'd rather have a simple piece of gym equipment that can help you lose weight while also preparing you for road races like 2-milers and 5Ks, treadmills are the answer. Before we get started with our video detailing the best treadmills on the market, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting off with the best overall treadmill, we have the Nordic Track C 990. If you love to run, you'll want a good quality treadmill that doesn't break the bank, and the Nordic Track C 990 treadmill is a great option with its high-tech features, good motor, decent-sized running belt, and relatively affordable sub-$1,000 price tag. The 7-inch screen can connect to your Wi-Fi so you can watch Netflix while you run or view the metrics for your workout. You can even pretend you're running outside with access to Google Maps. It even has a fan to cool you down. Top Fitness magazine review says the touchscreen is a great addition that breaks up the monotony of running on a treadmill. Nordic Track offers several preset workouts from the iFit library, which is something Amazon buyers love. USA Home Gym says the treadmill has plenty of accessories to make your workout more enjoyable, including a tablet shelf, a port for your music player, a smartphone tray, and a water bottle holder. The treadmill has a belt size of 20 by 60 inches and a 3.0 horsepower motor, which should be adequate for most people. Considering its sub-$1,000 price, the C990 has some nice features for average runners, FitRated says. The only downside is that several Amazon reviewers reported longevity problems, as well as poor customer service. Nordic Track does offer a lifetime frame and motor warranty, a 3-year parts warranty, and a 1-year labor warranty. Next up, we have the best high-end treadmill, which goes to the 3G Cardio Elite Runner Treadmill. Few treadmills made for use at home will deliver the kind of quiet performance that the 3G Cardio Elite Runner Treadmill delivers. It's made for tall or heavy runners looking for a tough workout, but you'll pay more than $3,000 for the kind of quality that this 3G Cardio unit delivers. It has an OrthoFlex shock suspension system to minimize the stress of impact for runners, and the 22 by 62 inch platform is perfect for running. Tall people will also love it, according to home treadmill reviews. The 3G Cardio comes with many pre-programmed workouts and a fitness level test. You have access to speed and elevation settings, heart rate control, and workout customization. The 3G Cardio treadmill has a 4.0 horsepower motor and 3-inch rollers for great performance. Treadmill Review says the strong motor and the sturdy design of the treadmill ensure that it runs quietly, which is a blessing in a home gym. As you would expect with a treadmill with such a high price point, the 3G Cardio Elite consists of thick steel tubing in the frame. In its review, Best Fitness Equipment says both are key in providing longevity and good performance. If something should go wrong, 3G Cardio offers a 10-year parts warranty and 2 years of in-home repairs. One Amazon buyer speaks for many, saying that the 3G Cardio Elite Runner Treadmill compares favorably to the types of high-quality treadmills found in professional gyms. The only big downside is how big and heavy it is, at 400 pounds. It's also rather expensive, so this is really only for serious runners who want a treadmill that will last a lifetime. Up next, we have the best race training treadmill, which goes to the ProForm Pro 2000. Runners who are looking for a treadmill with good all-around training capabilities will like the reasonably priced ProForm Pro 2000 treadmill. It has a 3.5 horsepower motor, which allows it to stand up to daily use, and it boasts a belt deck that measures 22 by 60 inches, which is perfect for most runners. When you're training for races with hills, you'll appreciate this treadmill's ability to reach a 15% incline and a 3% decline, which better simulates hills than most other treadmills, according to the Top Fitness magazine review. The ProForm treadmill also has a number of techie features, including a 7-inch screen that's compatible with iFit workouts, a music port for iPods, and many workout apps. It also has ProShocks cushioning to lessen the impact for runners. Overall, reviewers like this treadmill for average runners. FitRated says the Pro 2000 delivers a strong level of features and performance for an entry-level treadmill, as long as you don't need a heavy-duty cardio trainer. Treadmill Reviews agrees that it's a good option for the price. Buyers mostly praise the treadmill, and one Amazon reviewer says the ProForm Pro 2000 treadmill works well for both regular training runs as well as for interval training. However, several Amazon customers expressed disappointment with the level of customer service they received after having problems with the unit. Next, we have the best budget treadmill, which goes to the Horizon Fitness T10104. Saving space with a fold-up treadmill is a great idea for a lot of people. However, most fold-up treadmills don't offer a lot of power, so understanding some of the natural limitations of fold-up treadmills, you'll like the Horizon Fitness T10104 treadmill, which works well for walkers and people on a budget. However, this model isn't really made for runners looking for high-end workouts. It has a 55-inch belt length, a maximum 10 mph speed, and a 2.25 horsepower motor, which is good for walkers. FitRated says the T10104 treadmill is easy to fold up for storage. It also delivers a good value for those who need basic features for walking or light running. Although the Horizon treadmill doesn't offer significant heart rate monitoring, Top Fitness magazine says this model works great for general exercising needs. Live Longer Running says this basic treadmill delivers good features for the price, and one Amazon buyer says it runs well without shifting or showing signs of weakness. However, another Amazon reviewer said the treadmill required frequent repairs and may not last long. And for our last pick, we have the best shock-absorbing treadmill, which goes to the Lifespan TR3000i. Some people dislike working out on a treadmill because of the pressure it places on their joints. The Lifespan TR3000i attempts to alleviate some of this pressure by using a shock absorption system in the treadmill's deck. It has a 20 by 56 inch running surface, 15 incline levels, and a 6-inch LCD screen that shows your time, calories, distance, steps, heart rate, speed, and incline. The 8 shock absorber elements in the deck ensure that it's very stable and comfortable to run on. Because of its shock-absorbing capabilities, the TR3000i has a number of fun features to give you variety in your workouts, according to Top Fitness magazine. Meanwhile, FitRated likes the tech-friendly features of the Lifespan TR3000i folding treadmill, which include a tablet holder, a USB charging port, and compatibility with iPods. The Best Fitness Equipment said this treadmill's steel frame makes it sturdy. Plus, the company offers a lifetime frame and motor warranty, 5-year parts warranty, and 1 year of labor, so you know you're covered for a while. One Amazon buyer likes that you can fold the treadmill up to save space, as well as the fact that the TR3000i runs quietly. However, several Amazon reviewers say the build quality and longevity of this treadmill are questionable. That's to be expected at this price point though. So that sums up our top treadmills of 2019. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.